Hello, good day. Teacher Dale is here again. How are you today? Are you good? Yes, I hope you're doing good. And now, get ready for our class or lesson because now we are now in Unit 4. Congratulations! Our topic for today is the deep sea robot. One more time, let's read it together. The deep sea robot. Very good. And now look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Wow, look, there's a lot of fishes, ocean floor, and corals. When we go under the sea, we will see them. Did you already see them? Yes. Did you eat fish? Yes. Tuna? Is it tuna? I think you eat tuna. Alright. And now get ready because we have a question in number 1. What are the words from the ocean? I will give you time to think. Okay? I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's see what is the answer. Alright, so what are the words for the ocean? We have fish, deep, blue, water, soil, cold, dive, waves, swim, and sea animals. I hope you got all the correct answer. Good job! And now we are going to listen and repeat our vocabulary for today. Okay, are you ready? Yes, you are ready. Let's go!
Unit 4. The Deep Sea Robot. Listen and repeat. Reach. Study. Famous. Dive. Submarine. Ocean floor.
So our vocabulary is rich, study, famous, dive, submarine, and ocean floor. In the first one, what comes in your mind when you hear the word rich? So rich is to arrive at a place or goal. Like for example, we finally reached the top of the mountain after an hour of hiking. Like that. So rich is to arrive at a place or goals. How about the word study? Meaning to learn or review something, okay? Like for example, I need to study my lesson for the quiz tomorrow. So you can use the word learn. The third one is famous. What comes in your mind when you hear the word famous? So that is well known by many people. Like for example, the Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark in France. Like that. How about in number 4? What comes in your mind when you hear the word dive? It means to jump head first into water or to go underwater. You got it? Okay, example. The swimmer prepared to dive into the pool. You can use that sentence, okay? How about the submarine? What comes in your mind when you hear the word submarine? That is a vehicle that can travel underwater. Example, the submarine went deep under the sea to explore marine life. Wow, that's amazing. And the last one is ocean floor. Look at the picture, we have ocean floor. What comes in your mind when you hear the word ocean floor? It means the bottom part of the ocean. Like for example, scientists discovered new species living on the ocean floor. So that is ocean floor. Now we are done in our vocabulary and we will proceed to our story.
The ocean is about 3,600 meters deep. It is not easy to go down to the ocean floor, but scientists know how to study it. Scientists use submarines. One famous deep-sea submarine is called Alvin. It is small, but it can dive 4,500 meters deep. It can reach the ocean floor. Alvin can carry 2 scientists and a pilot. It has windows, lights, and cameras. The ocean floor is dark and cold. Scientists cannot go out, but they can use Alvin. Alvin has 2 big robot arms. Scientists can take samples of soil, water, or sea life with Alvin's arms. Alvin may be small, but it does a great job for us.
Alright, so who is Alvin again? That is the submarine. Very good. And Alvin can carry 2 scientists and 1 pilot, okay? Alright. And Alvin has windows, lights, and camera. So the scientists can see the ocean floor clearly. And now we will check your comprehension based on the story, okay? You will just choose the correct answer. Are you ready? Alright, number 1. The passage is mainly about, what is your answer? Is it A or B? Okay, and the answer is a special submarine, or the passage is mainly about a special submarine. Very good. How about in number 2? A blank can reach the ocean floor. Is it A or B? What is your answer? And the answer is submarine, or a submarine can reach the ocean floor. How about in number 3? Alvin has windows, cameras, and blank. What do you think is that? Is that light or fishing nets? And the answer is A, lights, or Alvin has windows, cameras, and lights. Alright, very good. I hope you got the correct answer. And now we are in number 4. So Alvin helps scientists study the ocean floor. So what is your answer? I will count 1, 2, 3, and go. So the answer is true. Alright. How about in number 5? Alvin can carry 3 people. What do you think is the answer? Is it true or false? Okay, I will give you a time to think. Alright. 1, 2, 3, and go. So the answer is true. Very good. I think you got all the correct answer. Congratulations. And now we will check your vocabulary. Did you remember our vocabulary? Alright, so let's see if you remember. So we have here build vocabulary, okay? Let's complete the sentences, okay? So we have here rich, study, and famous. Did you remember that? I think you remember. Okay, let's see. Number 1. I cannot blank the top. I am too small. So what is the correct answer? Is it rich? Is it study or famous? I will give you a time to think, okay? 1, 2, 3, and go. So the answer is reach. Okay, very good. I think you got the correct answer. How about in number 2? When I grow up, I want to be a blank singer. So what do you think is the answer? Is it study or famous? I will count again. 1, 2, 3, and go. So the answer is famous. Alright, because she wants to be a famous singer someday when she grow up. Okay, so I think you also like that. You know how to sing? Yes? Oh, I don't think so. Alright, so how about in number 3? Okay, I love insects. I want to blank them more. So what do you think is the answer? No other than study. Yes, great job. So I love insects. I want to study them more. Okay, I think you got that also. Alright, excellent, very good. And now we have here organized information. Okay, we will complete the graphic organizer. We have a problem 1, solution 1, problem 2, and solution 2. Okay, are you ready for that? I think you're ready. Let's go. But we have a choices here under the graphic organizer. Okay, we have 2 robot arms, dive, submarines, and dip. But the dive is already there. Okay, that is our example or answer, the first answer. Okay, so now let's proceed to the problem number 1. Okay, are you ready? Yes, I think you're ready. The ocean floor is blank. Okay, so what do you think is the answer? 2 robots arms, submarines, or dip? Think, think, think. I will count. So 1, 2, 3, and go. And the answer is deep. Alright, great job. So now, what is the solution in number 1? Scientists use blank. So what they use? Is it 2 robot arms, submarines? Okay, just choose one. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. And the answer is submarine. Great job. And Alvin can dive 4,500 meters deep. Did you remember that? Okay, I think you remember. Alright, so now let's proceed to the problem 2. Okay, what is problem 2? Let's read it together. So, scientists cannot go out of Alvin. Okay, how about the solution number 2? Scientists use Alvin's blank to take samples. So what is that? What they use? Okay, so let's see. I will count again. 1, 2, 3, and go. And the answer is what? It's 2 robot arms. Okay, so they use the arms of the robot. Alright, great job. I think you got all the correct answer here. Great job. And just because of that, I will give you a star. Let's move on. So, did you remember our vocabulary to our last lesson? Okay, so let's see, we have a vocabulary check 1 here. So, look at the first picture, the number 1. Okay, what do you think is that? Is that trunk, land, or submarine? Okay, so think it first. How about number 2? What is that? Is that truck, land, or submarine? Okay, just remember your answer. Okay, how about this one, the green one? What is that? Okay, let's see the answer, if your answer is correct in your mind. Okay. Alright, so let's check the correct answer. And the answer is alright. For the answer in number 1 is trunk, number 2 is submarine, And number 3 is land. Okay, I think you got all of that. Alright, so now let's go to the match the word with the similar meanings. Okay, are you ready? So now in number 1 we have a lot of. So what do you think is the answer? In number 1, okay, just think it out, okay? Think it first. How about the famous? Is it well known, many, or give birth? Okay, think it first in your mind. And number 3, lay. Alright, what do you think is that word similar with other words? Okay, alright, so I think let's give the answer now. So now here it is. The answer is the similar to the word a lot of is many, and the famous, well known, and lay is a give birth. Very good. I think you remember that in our last vocabulary. You got that one? Okay, that's great. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. Here we will choose the correct answer. So we have number 1. Frogs swim in the blank. So where it is it in the sea or ponds? And the answer is ponds. Alright, I think you got that one. How about number 2? Students blank from teachers. So what do you think? Okay, so the answer is learn. Very good. How about number 3? We want to blank time at the zoo. So what do you think is the answer? 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay, so the answer is spend. Okay, the answer is so let's complete the dialogue here. We have A and B. Are you ready? So let's read it together. A. How do lions take care of their babies? B. Lions wash their babies and play with them. They are very what? Is it hunt, feed, or busy? And the answer is busy. Alright. How do lions blank their babies? So what do you think is the answer? Is it hunt or feed? And the answer is, okay, what do you think? That is feed. Okay, and letter B, they blank other small animals for their babies. So what is that? Okay, so no other than hunt. Alright, because of that, I will give you again a star. Okay, so that is our lesson 4. Congratulations! Let's go to the unit 5. Alright, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? What's that? Is it a frogs or toads? Oh, okay, so that is a toads. Okay, so later we will see the difference of the frogs and toads. Okay, but first let us read it. Frogs and toads. Okay. And now get ready because we have here a question in number 1. What animals look alike? So the choices is moth, crocodile, gorilla, and toad. So we have here number 1, frog. So what do you think is look alike of frog? So think. And the answer is toad. Alright. And the second one is alligator. Okay, so what do you think is the look-alike of alligator? So look at first. Okay, and the answer is crocodile. Okay, I know you get that one. Alright, how about the butterfly? What do you think is the look-alike of butterfly? What do you think? Okay, think first. And the answer is, let's see, moth. Okay, nice one. And the last one is chimpanzee. Okay, the answer in chimpanzee look alike no other than, okay, gorilla. Great job. And now let's go to our vocabulary. Okay, are you ready? Alright, so we will listen first and repeat. Okay, alright, let's go.
Unit 5. frogs or toads? Listen and repeat. Same. Leap. Damp. Different. Smooth. Bumpy.
So these are our vocabulary, alright? Okay. So now we have here same. What comes in your mind when you hear the word same? Okay, think first. Okay, so the meaning is the same is not different. They are exactly alike. Okay, like for example, we have the same bag just in different colors. We have the same t-shirt. Okay, so that is same. How about the next one? Lip. From the word lip, what comes in your mind when you hear the word lip? Okay, so that is to jump high or far. Did you get that one? Okay, let me give you an example. The cat can leap from the table to the chair easily. Okay, now you can use that one. Okay, the word leap. Very good. How about dump? What comes in your mind when you hear the word dump? Okay, think first. Alright, so let me say the meaning. So dump is slightly wet, okay? Or it's not completely dry. Alright, did you get that one? Like for example, the towel is still damp, so I hung it outside to dry. So you can use that one, okay? Damp, slightly wet. Alright, did you get that? I think you get it, okay? How about different? Oh, I think you know this one. Different. What comes in your mind when you hear the word different, okay? Alright, so different is not the same or not alike, okay? Like for example, my ideas are different from yours, but both are good, okay? So that is different. Or one more example, we have a different color of shirt. Okay, so it means we are not the same color of shirt, okay? Did you get that? Alright, how about smooth? What comes in your mind when you hear the word smooth? Okay, so smooth is having an even, flat surface, okay? Or it's not rough, okay? Like for example, the table is very smooth after being polished. So that is smooth, okay? Or like for example, you can say, my hair is smooth. Okay, so you can say that one, alright? So now you know what is smooth means, okay? So how about bumpy? What comes in your mind when you hear the word bumpy? Okay, I think you know this one. Alright, so bumpy means not smooth, okay? Uneven or rough, okay? Alright, so example, I will give example, okay? The road was so bumpy that the car kept shaking, alright? So it means it's not smooth. So that is bumpy, okay? Did you get that? Alright, so that's our vocabulary for today, okay? Alright. And now you already know the meaning of our vocabulary, okay? So now let's proceed to our story, okay? What is the title of our story? So that is The Frogs or Toads, okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's listen first, okay? Alright.
A small animal is in the garden. Is it a frog or a toad? Let's go and take a closer look. Frogs have long legs. They leap and swim. Toads have short legs. They walk a lot. Frog's skin is smooth and wet. They live in damp places. Toad's skin is dry and bumpy. They live in dry places. Frogs and toads are in the same animal family. Most frogs and toads are brown or green. They have long tongues. They eat flies, spiders, and mosquitoes. Frogs and toads look different, but they are both excellent bug killers. Now, do you know what is in your garden?
Alright, did you hear our story? I think so. Okay, so look at the frog here and toad. Okay, so frog has a smooth skin and the toad has a bumpy skin. Okay, they are same family or they are same animals, but they are different, right? Okay, so now because you already hear our story, let's check your comprehension in reading or listening. Okay, let's go. And now we have number 1. Okay, the passage is mainly about what? What do you think is the answer? The answer is studying frog and toads. Very good. How about number 2? Blank has short leg to walk. The answer is a toad. And number 3, both frogs and toads have long tongues to eat what? Flies. Alright. Number 4, frogs and toads look alike. Is that true? That is false. How about the last one? Frog leap and swims a lot. The answer is true. Okay. And now let's build your vocabulary. Okay, so number 1, my clothes get blank on rainy days. What do you think is the answer? Damp. Okay, how about number 2? Twin look alike, but they are not the same. And number 3, I can leap over the fence. Okay, very good. I hope you got all the correct answer. Alright. And now let's go to the organized information. So let's complete the graphic organizer. Okay, are you ready? Let's start in the frogs. Okay, frogs, long legs, smooth and wet skin, live in damp places. Alright, how about the next one? The toads. Okay, short legs and dry and bumpy skin. When you look the frogs and toads, they have differences, okay? But they are also have the similarities, okay? So look at this. They are the same animal family, okay? Brown or green. And they have both has a long tongues, okay? And also they are bug killers. Alright, so we learn about the vocabularies, the different and same, okay? And other vocabularies that we learn. So you can use that words in a sentence. You can practice more, okay? Alright. And because of that, I will give you a 3-star because you did a great day today. You did a great job. Excellent. I hope you learned something from Teacher Dale. And don't forget to practice what is the meaning of our vocabulary. Alright, for you to be more familiar to the words that we learn. Alright? Okay, so maybe next meeting we will learn again a lot of vocabularies and stories. Alright, hope you enjoy our lesson from Unit 4 to Unit 5, okay? Bye-bye! Have a great day today!